welcome back to my channel. So today, or tonight, because it is dark out, I'm going to be doing a making slime with the spin wheel thing. It's an app, and I will show you guys that when we get there, but let's just go on ahead and get right onto the video. Okay guys, so here we have this right here, and it is actually that app right there. So yeah, this is not sponsored, don't worry. And it is called Tiny Decisions. And yeah, it is a spin wheel game. And so when we go, okay. No, it's this one right here. Okay, I'm getting my sides mixed up. But yeah, it's this one right here, not Pinterest. Okay, so yes, so when you tap it, it kind of looks like this. Well, basically, yeah. But so I have, if you guys can see it, I don't know if it is focusing that well. But there is glue. So it's what type of glue, white or clear. Then I have what type of slime. So like crunchy, clear, glitter, all that. Then what color. So first I'm going to go and do what type of glue. So, and then it has like a spin wheel. If you guys can see it again. I don't know if it's gonna show up that good, but yeah. So I'm going to spin it. Oh yeah, see, there we go. And it is white. So let's go ahead and put in the white glue because it chose white glue. So that's what we're going with. And again, this is not sponsored. And yeah, that's that. Let's go ahead and pour it in there. I don't know when to stop, so I'm basically probably just going to stop when the bottom gets full. Okay, that's probably enough because that was a lot. Okay. Have you guys ever made slime or anything like slime? I want to find out, so put it in the comments below because, yeah, I mean, I'm curious. You guys are the ones who are following me or watching my videos. So I really need to know. Okay guys, so next one, we are going to figure out what type of slime we are making. So, let me get there. What type of slime? And, okay. And it picked glitter, of course. Okay, so we are going to be making glitter glue. So that's going to be fun because glitter slime, and yeah, it's white glue. Like how does this happen? I don't know. Okay, so I have black glittery. I'm gonna be grabbing everything glittery that I have. Yes, I know I shouldn't have done this, but I don't have any more glitter except for 2 colors, so I have this glitter glue and this glitter glue, so I really hope that actually counts. And then I have this gold glitter, and I have this black glitter, so I'm excited. Okay, so I'm going to add a buttload of black glitter. Okay, that was a lot. Now I'm going to be adding my gold glitter. I'm also going to be adding a buttload of that. Oh, that's a weird combination. Okay. Okay, we're doing something here. I don't know exactly what, but we're doing something. Leave a comment if you guys have ever like done this challenge or anything like that, because if you have, you're like so cool. Okay, so while we are waiting, go on ahead and make sure to drop a like if you like this video and subscribe to my channel because, yeah, why wouldn't you want to? I mean, if you want to see all my videos, then you should definitely do that. So, and also hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post a video. Because, yes, if you want to watch my videos, then you want to be notified. So it's awesome. Yes. Okay, well, this is taking forever, so I'm going to be back, and I'm going to put some water in this and shake it up. Okay, guys, so I put that in there, and there's not that much, I know, but yeah, and so basically now I'm just letting this other glue run into a cable. It is the orange glitter glue, and yeah, so we're basically just going to wait for this because it's taking so long. So yeah. Okay, so now, since we're done with that, I finally, yes, and I put some more glitter around it because I didn't think that was enough because it has to be pretty and it has to be like loaded down with glitter. So now I'm just going to mix because yeah, technically that's what you're supposed to do, is mix and mix and mix and mix and mix until all of the glitter is mixed in and not on the sides. So yes, that is what I am doing. Do you guys have a YouTube channel? Put that too, because I probably asked that in multiple videos, but nobody leaves comments. Yes, it's great. But hey, we're getting up there. We're getting up there with followers. It's okay. It's okay. Or subscribers, or yes, that. Okay, so you know what? I honestly think that I'm probably going to add more glitter. Not that much, but it's actually something. Okay, I have that. Now I'm going to add my... I am like so excited for this. I don't think I've ever made glitter slime. I mean, on accident I have, but like not on purpose. Okay, now I am going to flip a coin on if I should add baby oil. Yes, baby oil, because, okay, so panda head, it is going to be yes, and then the whatever other side it is, it's going to be no. Okay, no baby oil. Okay, so now should I add foam? Heads, yes. Okay, yes, I'm going to add, well, not foam, but like, foam beads. Yes, okay, well, that's kind of weird. Okay, I will be back. Okay, guys, so I am back with my foam beads, and honestly, it did not say how much I need to add, so I'm just going to add probably about that much. Yeah, that's gonna be great. That's a great amount, right? Yes, okay. And now I'm going to mix it in. Well, I am curious to know how this is going to turn out because, yes, foam beads in it, it's kind of like skeptical and weird. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to flip a coin on if I should add kinetic sand or not, because I hear kinetic sand is actually kind of cool. So heads, yes, tails, no. Okay, tails, no. But you know what? I'm gonna add some anyways because, like, yeah. He says that I can't. I want to see how this turns out. So, oh goodness, it is hard. She's so hard. Okay. I'm going to add probably about this much because, yeah. And yes, it is kinetic sand. It is kind of weird, but yes. I have done this to a slime before and it turned out really good, so I'm hoping that this does the same. You know what, I'm actually going to add like this much more because, yeah, we're all out in this channel. Okay, I know I probably just broke the rules, but hey. There's no one that does the law here. It's no law. Let's skip it. I don't know how this turns out. We're going to mix it in because, yeah. And it was like a purple mixture of kinetic sand, so... Oh, goody, my dog's in here, so sorry if you guys hear, like, running in my room. Oh, goodness, okay. Like, I like it. Like, I should probably name this, like, Cookie Dough or something like that. Okay guys, so yes, I am adding Tide because, yeah, I again, from like 2 videos ago, or no, I did not post that one. This is all I have. I'm going to add, and I know that it said glitter sunbeam, but then we're just adding it on. We're going to be adding stuff on. So I'm going to do a coin flip on whether I should add clay or not, any add-ins, or a charm, because I do have a charm. I may do that, I'm still deciding. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to add way more activator because, yeah. Okay guys, so I will see you when this is activated all over. I just realized that this slime looks like a brownish color and it looks really ugly, but in real life it's actually kind of pretty. And it has multiple colors in it, and yeah, it's really, really pretty. So, I have decided that since this is not that stretchy, this slime is not that stretchy. I mean, it does look pretty stretchy and stuff, but it does rip and stuff, and it is really good for pokes. Well, I have this slime, and I added too much clay to it, and let me just show it to you. It is this pink slime, and it is really good, except for the fact that I added too much clay to it. So, because you can't do any swirls with it or anything like that, because it falls apart and stuff. So, I have decided that I'm going to add it to this slime that I have just made, and I'm going to see how it turns out. So, yeah, and I really hope that this turns out good, because there's no go-backs. Hell yes. And now is the time for a little ASMR. Weird that I'm like treating this like a squishy kind of. Just don't have good bubble blobs, but that was okay. We're going to deal with it. Wow, okay, this did turn into like a really, really, really good slime. I'm actually very happy about this. Okay, and sorry if you keep hearing those text messages come through. Yes, I am doing this on this laundry thing. Yeah, sorry if it's like really, really, really poor quality because it's like in my room and it's really bad lighting. But at the moment, I do not have very many places to go except for my room. So I will upgrade someday, I hope. Okay, that's better. should make a video on favorite YouTubers. What do you guys think? Oh, that was a big one. Oh goodness. Okay. So, basically that is it for today's video. I honestly, just making slime. So, I hope you guys liked this video. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it's great. And so, I will see you guys next time.